shape itself was a coincidence of different things and a concrete metaphors that I wanted to create.
We met Arik Levy for the first time at Light and Building 2014. We felt an immediate click. We felt that we could really do something together because we also like his work as an artist. We were convinced that there could be a very positive match with Delta Light.
As we see here, the classic lamp that we used to have at home with a stick and a base and an abat-jour and a shade, and the light comes down, and this is how light has been for so many years. I was cycling through Paris and I found myself in sort of back streets, and I saw this huge pile of folded paper. This folding paper was the paper we put cloth in between and creating the plissé, which is very used in fashion. With the sun, the reading of the light over this folding was so great. Sort of an aller-retour, a coming back, like you go home, you come back, you go in, you go out, you go in, you go out. You can see very well how the reading of the light is basically spectacular on such a simple form. This new outdoor product is a transition from the inside to the outside and vice versa. It reminds all the time this lamp that my grandmother had and that we will have, but in a different way, in a different generation.
Once we were back from his studio in Paris, we immediately started to work on the prototyping and the more detailed design of the product. We started with our engineers to see how we can use the right materials.
The engineering of the electronics has a double-sided LED circuit that permits us to have light projected down, but also light projected up.
We decided to develop our own LED board so that we could generate the high-quality lights that Arik had in mind for this fixture.
They develop and progress and push the factory and the company to become that thing of the future. And with that sort of attitude, you can really do anything and everything. I can bring the technicity in the idea and the heart and the metaphor, and they plug in like this with all the engineering power and the willingness to do the thing better.
This fits with the Delta Light philosophy of creating good light in the right atmosphere.
I would say this is a techno-poetic project.